So we use high-grade MDF and moisture-resistant plywood for all our invisible bed solutions. So our bed comes with a high-power hydraulic system which never fails when it is in the closed position. Also, our hydraulic has an interlocking system, so it is very safe. Yes, it is a child jumping proof and it is designed as per our Indian usage conditions. So our invisible beds come with 10 years of warranty on hydraulic mechanism, and also it covers the manufacturing defects.